Hello, nonprofit rock stars and heroes. This is Tom Check with Greater Impact Consulting, where we help you streamline Salesforce for your nonprofit. And today we're talking about just a quick little tip on the use of different list views. This is one of those productivity things that can really change the level of output that you have, especially if you're navigating list views often. And there's 3 different ways to view list views. Most people don't know this. So this is one of those like right in front of you, but you might not see it there. So let's go ahead and share screen and show you what I'm talking about. So this is a standard list view. This one is for opportunities. And this is what most of us are used to looking at, right? We have all of our different list views that we can access, and that's how we go through life. There is a button over here right next to the settings cog that allows you to change your view though. And you have 3 different options. The table view is what you're used to viewing most likely. You also have a Kanban view. And this is an interesting view in that it allows you to move, especially for like opportunities or leads. It allows you to take an opportunity from one stage to another right here. So at the top here, I've got the different types of records. And then here I've got all the different stages that are going on in my org. So I've got 11 that are prospecting. Right now I've got none that are in any of these in-between stages. And then I've got 5 that are pledged, 26 that are won. So the cool part about this is that I can just drag one of these from here to here. I can drag the next one from here to here. So if you've got a lot of things that you're updating, you can scroll and just drag these anywhere they need to go. Pretty cool, right? But how do you tell, why these fields showed up? Why did these stages show up? And that's something that you can change as well. So if you go into the settings cog under Kanban setting or under Kanban view, now you've got Kanban settings. And here you can choose which field it's summarizing by. So that's this, if we go back, that's this green field here that's summarizing by. So that's the summarize by. And then, let's go back into Kanban settings. And then the group by is a pick list field that you choose. So we could have also gone by type, right? And then I've got all of my nones. I could also go by acknowledgement status, right? You're sending out a bunch of letters to acknowledge people's donations. You can go in and go by acknowledgement status. And instead of having to go in and manually click each one, you can go ahead and just click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. Really, really convenient as a way to make this all happen much, much faster. So that's the second view. You've got table view, you've got Kanban view, and then you've also got split view. And this is going to be a game changer for a lot of you. Kanban is cool if you need to do just a single pick list field update to a lot of records at once, or if you want to see just at a glance totals of where things are in a stage. Split view is a little different. And split view allows you to pull up a donation by clicking on your standard list view. So let's say opportunity pipeline, sure. I can click on each of these and it automatically takes me to the detail record on the right-hand side. So no more clicking onto your list view, finding the record, clicking it, making your changes, having to go back to your list view, scroll back down, find the one you were working on, and no more opening 6 million tabs to make sure that you're opening all the records you want. You can do it in split view, and you can just go through and find all of the different ones that you're looking for. And we can see, oh, look, this one's at closed lost. This one is at closed won. Fantastic. I can go in, I can make whatever updates I need. I can say, we did send this person an acknowledgement, all of these things. So it saves a lot of time, especially if you're doing an edit that you can't do as a mass edit for one reason or another. Maybe your admin doesn't have inline editing turned on in your org. If that's the case, go watch the video on mass inline editing because that'll save you a bunch of time in list views. Maybe it's that you have to have different record types in this list view, which means that you can't do mass inline editing. So maybe you want to go ahead and just do it one by one. Or maybe it's contextual and you need to see kind of the whole detail view and some of the related lists over on the right-hand side in order to determine which updates need to be made, in which case split view is a really great option for you. So the only time that you won't see all three of those options, if for some reason you're only seeing Kanban and table, it's because the app that you're in, so like Nonprofit Success Pack app, or in our case, Greater Impact Demo app, is set up as a classic app, not a Lightning app. And if that's the case, talk to your admin or go check out the app building video we made a couple videos back to learn how to make an app that's a Lightning app that will give you access to this. But other than that, this is rolled out summer of 20, so it's been out for a little while, and it's the type of thing that is on by default. So you don't have to go activate anything in your org to make this show up for your users. As long as they are in a Lightning app list view, then they should have access to table, Kanban, assuming that there is a pick list value that they can make a Kanban off of, and split view. So that's all I've got for you today. Go make some awesome, efficient updates in your Salesforce, and more importantly, go keep having an awesome impact in your community. Until next time, stay awesome.